Hey guys, welcome to week 9. This is about your introduction. You have now going to start writing parts of your literature review and you are getting feedback on your introduction so that you can work on the other parts of it. So the introduction, as you can see, this week we have our Zoom class. We will do the same format. 4:30 to 5:30 is the first group and then 5 to 6 is the second group. This is our second and the last class, Zoom class of this semester. I have also uploaded Creswell chapter 5, which is a very nice reading if you want to look at the introduction aspect of it. It also has some sample introductions about different studies. Here is your introduction. Let me mark it. This is your introduction, instruction, and format. And then this is the rubric that you have over there. And lastly, this is your Dropbox for the introduction. So let's talk about each one of these quickly. Your introduction is not a bulleted list. It is paragraphs. There will be no IV, no first person. Everything is going to be in third person. Okay. As you can see, I have also given you things that it needs to be there. Let me adjust my window. So it's going to be 1 to 2 paragraphs. It can be 2 to 3 paragraphs if needed. So it will have an anticipatory sentence which captures the readers. Background information is what comes from the citations and the evidence. Remember to have correct in-text citations. What is the purpose of your study? Why is it important? Is it to inform the community about something, your discipline about something, add to the literature? If it needs to add to the literature, fill a gap. What is it? Why is it important? The components of the topic and this part can be combined is you will have a sentence that talks about what the literature review will discuss, share, and compare. You can choose any one of them, but what is your literature review about? Use your outline, use the some components of the outlines to work through this. The last sentence of your introduction will be your research question. Just the research question, nothing else. Just the specific question that you have. It is going to be formatted in APA. If you correctly format it with APA with the cover page, you get 3 bonus points. So that is for you guys to figure it out. So let me go back and look at the introduction rubric. So as you can see, here is the introduction rubric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is from 15 points. You have all of those citations, sending. All the citations are correct. The stage has been set. You have a research question that summarizes the introduction. You have it. It is narrowly defined and it has independent. If you have a purely qualitative study, then it would be the relationship between the variables. So this is where your rubric is for the introduction and this is your Dropbox. Best of luck. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.